Hello, uh, the name is Andy Wenger, and I'm just going to give you a quick introduction of things I do. My job is I teach at St. Thomas Middle School, and I teach eighth grade U.S. history. I also do coaching, both football and varsity wrestling. Technologies we currently have access to in our room. Our students are basically one to one. They don't carry their own computers in the middle school, they do in the high school. In the middle school, we just have carts in all of our rooms, so all the kids can pretty much jump on a computer. Probably the only exception is they don't have them in like art and PE. Um, Other things that we have in our school, uh, we have Elmos. Each room has a smart board, although I know for myself, I don't use the smart board feature too much other than just as a screen. What roles do we currently have? We'd like to have in technology planning. I would like to help our school implement a online learning platform, especially at our high school. Our kids, we're a small school district, so our kids are really limited on the elective classes they can take. Like I said earlier, I teach history, and we really don't offer any electives for the students in that. So I would like for us to combine with a couple other small schools and maybe be able to offer some elective classes. As far as myself, I besides teaching, I also coach men's rugby here in St. Louis, and my wife and I have a place down at Lake of the Ozarks, and we are both school teachers, so we moved down there at the end of May and live at the lake from end of May through middle of August. And I guess that's all I got.